Okay, it's a little cooler this evening, and I came out here to work on the weather stripping around the door. And let me show you. I pulled some of it off, but the tape is sticking really bad. The tape underneath the foam, you know what I'm talking about, under this. The tape is sticking really bad. So I tried to pull it off, but it just, for as old as it is and as bad a shape as it's in, it's sticking. What I've done is I've gone in the house and I found some Goo Gone, and I'm going to spray all this stuff down with it because it's in a little squirt bottle, and see if maybe that'll help. I know it's going to be a real gooey job, but I really want to get all that stuff off from around this door as I can before I put the new stuff on. I'm just picky like that. Anyway, so I'm going to get started. I'll try and set the camera up so you can see. Okay, I'm not so sure how well you can see, but the tool that I was using is it's supposed to be to take caulking off of around a tub or sink. So it's got this to scrape it with, and then it's got this side of it to smooth it all out. And I found that this side works really well. Okay. So there's two sides to this. Shoot. And I'm trying to do this without scratching the paint underneath. Just get enough of it to grab a hold of. I think I'd be in pretty good shape. But, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get all the foamy stuff off, and then I'm going to spray the Goo Gone around it again, let it sit overnight, and maybe break up that glue that's holding it on, hopefully. And then I guess come out and work on it tomorrow, because this is not going to work. That's a backbreaker. Because of where the light is, you're probably not going to be able to see very good. I was excited. That gave me a little bit of the sticky stuff, but not enough to take it all off, though. That's a good start. That's a good start. Oh, I wish it all came off like that. Yay! A whole big row of it. Yay! Another whole row. Even the sticky stuff came off. This is working good. What I'm trying to do is get the sticky stuff off of here as well as the foam. And it's working. I put a little bit of Goo Gone here. A little bit of Goo Gone on here already. And it's working good on that gluey stuff on this side. That's nice. That'll save me some work. I'm scraping it off like I'm going to have to do on the other side. Yay! Arr! Let's see. And then this side of this scraper, there it is a plastic little doohickey, and it's working real good to scrape that stuff off. Not tearing up the paint as bad as I was with the metal side of it off this. There. Anyway, I'm going to keep scraping until it's too dark to see out here. And then when I get it all done, probably tomorrow when the light's better, I'll bring it back out and show you. Bye. Wow, look at there. After I put the camera down, I went ahead and sprayed that Goo Gone on there and just kept working at it a little bit. I would guess that maybe 20 minutes has gone by, if even that. And I got it all off. Look. All off down there. I mean, I've got some cleaning up to do on this one. But after I put that Goo Gone on, this part that had the tape all the way up and around, it all came off super easy. Let me tell you, I was feeling very blessed and very lucky because it came off super easy. And then the door, I'm going to have to work on that some more with the Goo Gone to get the tape off. But to go around, you know, the whole inside of the door and the whole outside of the door with that sticky stuff, I've only really got to work on, I don't know, 2 small areas. So I'm feeling pretty lucky. But it's very humid out here, so I think I'm gonna go in the house and make me some dinner. See you tomorrow.